Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the PLAPITATE Silicone Bread Sealing. The PLAPITATE Silicone Bread Sealing for Dutch Oven is a practical and versatile accessory for home bakers. Priced at $9.49 for a 2-piece set, it's designed to make a sourdough and other bread baking safer and easier by providing non-stick silicone liners with long handles. This lets you lift and transfer hot dough without risking burns. Made from good-grade silicone and fiberglass, the mats are BPA-free, flexible, and heat-resistant up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability and consistent baking results. Their non-stick surface and anti-slip backing keep dough in place while providing easy cleanup either by hand or in the dishwasher. Users on Amazon consistently praise the bread sling for its effectiveness and convenience. Many report it simplifies the process of transferring sourdough and other baked goods, helping maintain the loaf shape while removing it from a hot Dutch oven. Reviewers appreciate its durability, noting it holds up well under repeated use and high heat. Some mention a brief initial silicone odor during the first bake, but these disappear after preheating and doesn't affect performance. Bakers also highlight the sling works well for other foods like cookies, pizza, and veggies, making it a versatile kitchen tool. Overall, the PLAPITATE Silicone Bread Sling is highly rated and user-friendly accessory for anyone who regularly bakes bread at home. It's combined of low price, safety, durability, and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to your baking toolkit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this bread sling helps handle hot dough simply, efficiently, and safely. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.